The assault on the guns at Brecourt Manor has become one of the most legendary small unit actions of World War II. Immortalised by the book and the TV series Band of Brothers, Lieutenant Dick Winters would lead a small unit against a stronger force in the assault on the guns. One of the many misdrops, Winters would find himself just outside St-Mary-Église, and along with others from his stick, he would make his way to the 2nd Battalion headquarters at Le Grand Chemin. Winters, now finding himself in command of Easy Company, is summoned to 2nd Battalion headquarters. He's told that Dog Company have found a German artillery battery just to the south of their position in the grounds of the Manoir de Brecourt. Captain Clarence Hester turns to Winters and says, "There's fire along that hedgerow there, take care of it." The battery at Brecourt Manor was equipped with 4 105mm howitzers and was protected at the front and the rear by machine gun positions. The guns were set into the hedgerows and positioned to face northeast towards Utah Beach. For the assault, Winters could only rely on 11 Easy Company men from a unit that normally numbered almost 200. Winters moved down this hedgerow to personally reconnoitre the position. He ruled out a frontal assault and opted to attack the position from their extreme left flank, with 2 machine gun teams providing support. Winters and Lieutenant Buck Compton would each lead an assault team to attack the battery. Compton, along with Malarkey and Garnier, would attack the MG position with hand grenades. At the same time, Winters, with Popeye Wynne, Joe Toy and Lorraine, would enter the position through the hedgerow. The assault teams, using the crude trench system, systematically destroyed the guns. Winters moved the machine gun teams forward to suppress the German MG42 positions. With the Germans suppressed, Winters then moved on to destroy the 3rd German artillery gun. With ammunition running low, Winters sends a runner back to Le Grand Chemin. 5 men from Dog and Fox Company are sent to reinforce, led by Lieutenant Ronald Spiers. Lieutenant Spiers would lead his men overground and take on the last gun at Brecourt Manor. For leading the assault on Brecourt Manor, Richard Winters would receive the Distinguished Service Cross, and 14 others from 2nd Battalion would receive medals for their part in silencing the guns.